In this video, you'll learn how to download the Bitget app. By following these steps, you will be able to access the app for your mobile device or desktop, allowing you to trade cryptocurrencies effectively. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for Bitget Exchange and press enter. This will take you to the official Bitget website where you can find the necessary options to download the app. Once the Bitget homepage loads, look for the section that includes a message about their services. This is often prominently displayed on the page. Here you will find a link or button labeled download, which you need to click to proceed with the download process. After clicking download, you will be directed to a new page specifically for downloading the app. On this page, you will see options for different platforms, including mobile and desktop, and ensure you select the correct version. Next, locate the button that says Download App for Mobile. Clicking this will initiate the download for the mobile version of the Bitget app. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few moments. Ensure you have enough storage space on your device to accommodate the app before proceeding. If you are using a desktop or laptop, look for the option to download the client. There will typically be separate download options for Windows and Mac operating systems. Click on the appropriate option based on your system to begin the download. After selecting the appropriate download option, a file will be downloaded to your device. Depending on your browser settings, you may see a progress bar indicating the download to complete, which may take longer if the file size is large or if your internet connection is slow. Once the download finishes, navigate to your downloads folder or the location where the file was saved. Locate the downloaded file and double-click it to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app on your device. For those preferring to use a QR code, look for the QR code option on the download page. Scan the QR code with your mobile device, which will redirect you to the download link for the app. This method can be quick and convenient if you prefer downloading directly to your smartphone. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.